Mansfield National Park, first stop on our 6-day tour around Tasmania.
Okay, perfect. Yep. Thank you. See you later.
These waterfalls. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Check out this waterfall. Oh my goodness. That is cool. Check out that waterfall. How cool is that? Absolutely gorgeous. So we are currently in Mountfield National Park. So I've joined the Down Under tour. I'm doing a 6-day around Australia tour with these guys. So I jumped on the coach this morning, driven to Mountfield National Park, and then we'll continue on to the next stop. And of course, I'll take you with us. It's exciting. Oh my goodness, look at this place. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Wow. Through the trees. So you can get snow and ice up here. Unfortunately, none today, but there was ice on the road warnings. Blue rocks. Oh, all the moss. Oh, this place is beautiful. So our tour guide dropped us off up at the top of the hike and said, walk down, you'll see some waterfalls, and then you'll come to the visitor centre, and then you'll pick us up from the visitor centre and we will carry on. Not as cold here, probably because I'm hiking, but I'm preparing for the Aussie cold now. Oh, look at that tiny waterfall. That's adorable. It's all dripping. How cute is that? Oh, these stairs and that waterfall over there. I'm glad we're going down these stairs and not up them. I hate stairs. So this is heading more towards the west coast of Tasmania. So we've started in Hobart, which was like South Tasmania, and then we're heading west up, and we're going to stay in Strahan tonight. And then I think tomorrow night we're also staying in Strahan and going out on day tours. And then we're heading, it's like west, and then I think maybe slightly north, and then we'll be going over to the east coast and then back down to Hobart. So been very excited about this tour. I've planned my whole Tassie holiday around this 6-day tour. Very cool. Oh, wow. Check this out. Oh my God, look how big they are. Oh, that is insane. Oh my God. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Oh, goodness. Oh my God. How tall they are. Visitor centre. That's adorable. This is pretty cool. Telling you what to take with you on all the walk. Oh, people. Oh wow, and they sell stuff as well.
It is fine. Like last 2 hours you're sitting there.
Oh, that's very cool.
Anyway, thank you.
Yeah, so comfortable.
Cleaning station. Someone's got a stick there. This is where the overland track finishes. Oh wow. Australia's premier alpine walk. Let's go and look at the viewing platform. Oh, picnic hut. So this is Lake St Clair, Australia's biggest freshwater lake. So Lake St Clair also means sleepy water. Look at this. Oh, you can see the snow on top of the mountains. Let me zoom in. So hopefully you can see the snow on top of those mountains. How cool. Sleeping water. Deepest freshwater lake in Australia with a depth of 167 metres, formed by glaciers. Wow. This is very cool. Ooh. This is gorgeous. Clear it looks. The fact that there's snow on those mountains. Really hope you can see it. Picnic hut. Welcome, Lake St Clair. Platypus Bay, Shadow Lake, Lake Shore, Mount Rufus. Pine Valley Hut. I'm not going to attempt to say that word. Right, I think I'm gonna go sit down and have some nosh. Oh, that's the visitor centre. It's pretty cool. Cool building. Some Australian animals. So that's a Tasmanian bettong. You've got your short-beaked echidna. Your platypus that I am absolutely determined to see on this holiday. Your rakali, which is kind of like a water rat. Your antigenous little mousey. Spotted tail quoll. Eastern quoll. Very famous Tasmanian devil. We will see them when we go to the sanctuary. And a wombat. We should hopefully see some of them when we go to Cradle Mountain. Theatre in Queenstown. That's really cool. Armel Wall Memorial Plaza in Queenstown. Oh, this is cool. Little street map. So we're just at a stop off here to grab some snacks, and I got myself some Tassie local beer. I'll try that at the hotel tonight. So we're going on from Queenstown to Strahan, and that's where we're staying tonight. That's really cool. So I tried to do some filming on the way into Queenstown, and if it's any good, you'll have seen it before this bit. It was just like an old western coming down the hill with really windy roads. Absolutely beautiful place. So old and cute. Look at the mountains. Let's just be naughty and just walk out into this little bit. Look at those mountains. Let's zoom in. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful place. Piece of weird artwork. Alright, so this is my room for the next 2 nights. Staying in Strahan on the west coast of Tasmania. Got a little outdoor area. Got aircon. Oh, wouldn't think I'd need it, but my God, I was cooking the last couple of nights in Hobart and we had aircon, but it didn't really cool the room down. The room's that big. Hello. Yeah, just a little cute room. Basics, all we need. Bed's nice and big again. Oh yeah. Lovely. Oh. Cheers. Harbor Master Tasmanian Amber Ale. Hobart Brewing Co. Pretty good. Do you like my t-shirt? Born to be wild. With a sleeping Tassie. Alright, full day on the road. It's 7:15, not long got back to the room. Got picked up at, I think it was like 7:15, 7 o'clock this morning. So you would have seen all the amazing places we went to. So today I joined the Down Under Explorer 6 tour. So I'll pop it up on screen. Our little itinerary that we did today, and I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing tomorrow just yet. So we got picked up in Hobart, and our destination where I am today is Strahan. So we went through Mountfield National Park, amazing waterfalls, a very cool place. And then we also went to Russell Falls, another amazing waterfall place. Lake St Clair, and you could see the snow on top of Cradle Mountain. Very cool. Oh, love snow. And then we went to Franklin Gordon Wild Rivers National Park. And then through Queenstown. Queenstown was, like you were driving down the mountain and it was just these winding roads. I tried to get some video footage. Hopefully you saw some video footage of it, but it was like out of the Wild West. And then we've ended up in Strahan, and in about 10 minutes, I'm gonna catch up with one of the other girls and we're gonna go down to a little river that's notorious for platypus. Fingers crossed. So I'll take you with me, and then if we see anything exciting, obviously I'll pop it in, I'll film it so you can check it out. So 2 nights in here. Tomorrow, day 2 is called the Wild West Coast, but that's all I'm going to tell you. You will see what we get up to tomorrow, and I'll do a itinerary listing kind of thing tomorrow. Hope you're enjoying the Tasmania series so far. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep watching the rest of the series. So far, day 1, fantastic. People lovely. A lot of backpackers from different countries, which is really cool. Tour guide, he's great. Tommy, he's from Belgium. Yeah, really cool. Really excited to see what the next 5 days are going to give us here. And yeah, I will either catch you later finding platypus, or I'll catch you in the morning.